the other sort of bit of excitement over the last couple of months has definitely been in the precious metal space. So we've seen some solid activity in gold, and then I don't know how to describe what we've seen in the silver market. So what's your take on what's going on there?
I mean, the gold's something we've talked about before, the gold market, in terms of what's been pushing that up. I think the last time we caught up, I mean, the thing that we were talking about most was that central bank buying still persists. If you think about what central banks are doing, I mean, for the better part of the last 12 months is playing catch up on probably pretty low gold reserves for the preceding 10, 15, 20 years before that. So a lot of that central bank catch up has been had, but there's still this persistent bid from central banks in terms of how they manage their treasury and their reserves from that perspective. But the one that we hadn't talked too much about had been there hadn't been a whole lot of retail buying of gold, and that's really come through now, always starting to come through. And that's sort of what played out over the Christmas period and into January as well.